How to stop your iPhone from sending analytics data to Apple. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it off in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and select Analytics and Improvements. Here you will see options related to sharing iPhone analytics data with Apple. If any of these toggles are turned on, it means your device is currently sharing usage data to help Apple improve their products and services. To stop this, simply turn off the toggle for Share iPhone Analytics. You can also turn off other options like Improve Siri and Dictation or Share iCloud Analytics if they're enabled. Once everything is turned off, your iPhone will stop sending analytics data to Apple. On my device, these settings may already be disabled, but you can always check using the same steps. And that's how to stop sharing analytics data with Apple on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips and guides.